Hey everyone, if you want to create a Miro account in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to sign up and start using Miro. First, Miro is an online whiteboard platform that helps teams collaborate, brainstorm ideas, and manage projects visually. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Miro website. On the homepage, click the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, Microsoft account, or Apple ID. If you're signing up with email, enter your name, email address, and password. Check your inbox and click the verification link sent by Miro to activate your account. After verification, choose your Workspace name and select how you plan to use Miro. Now you're ready to create your first board and start collaborating. For faster access, sign up with Google or Microsoft and use the free plan to explore Miro before upgrading. A common mistake is forgetting to verify your email, which can limit account access. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to create a Miro account in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.